अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है थ्योरी ऑफ क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट अंडरलाइंग द डैमिंग मैनेजमेंट मेथड। ठीक है, इस पे हम थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करते हैं। तो इस बारे में हम थोड़ा सा देख लेते हैं कि इन द करंट फॉर्म द डैमिंग मैनेजमेंट मेथड contains a prescriptive set of 14 points that serve as guideline for appropriate organizational behavior एंड प्रैक्टिस रिगार्डिंग क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट। यानी इसमें क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट की बात की गई है। डिस्पाइट द एपरेंट इफेक्ट ऑफ दीज 14 पॉइंट्स ऑन बोथ द इंडस्ट्रियल वर्ल्ड एंड द practice of management theory around the world, there is little evidence of the role of damming management method in the formalization and advancement of management theory, although its formalization and ऑल्दो इट्स इम्पैक्ट जो है ना मैनेजमेंट प्रैक्टिस पर वो बहुत क्लियर है। नीदर इट्स थियोरेटिकल, अगर हम कंट्रीब्यूशन की बात करें, नॉर इट्स थियोरेटिकल बेस हैज़ येट बी टू बी articulated. Yes, there is a theory of quality management underlying the damming management method, but at present this theory is presented in the perspective form of 14 point. We propose and articulate a theory of the damming management method. The theory is based on the theory बेस करती है on the conceptual किस पे conceptual synthesis of dynamic writing literature and on the dynamic management method. ठीक हो गया, ऑब्जर्वेशन पे, प्रैक्टिस पे एंड मोर स्पेसिफिकली द मैनेजमेंट मेथड. We trace the development of the method procession it within the context of theory, describe our theory formulation process purpose and explain the underlying theory of quality management and implication for practice and further research. ओके, अगर इंक्रीजिंगली बात करें तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आर रिकॉग्नाइजिंग द स्ट्रेटेजिक इम्पोर्टेंस of quality and quality management. Many organizations have arrived at the conclusion, इस conclusion पे पहुंचती है that effective quality management जो है वो enhance कर सकती है their capability competitive abilities. यानी आपकी जो होती है ना कंपटीशन की कि आप दूसरों के साथ कॉम्पीट कर सको, उसकी एबिलिटी को इन्हेंस करती है और एक प्रोवाइड करती है आपको स्ट्रेटेजिक एडवांटेजेस इन द मार्केट प्लेस। और इस तरह से प्रोवाइड करती है कि आप ना एक स्ट्रेटेजिक मैनेजमेंट एडवांटेज आपको प्रोवाइड करती है मैनेजमेंट में, लाइक आप कोई ना कोई स्ट्रेटजीज बना सकते हो. दिस बिलीव हैज लेड अ flurry of activities on the part of many organizations, both large and small, manufacturing and services, प्रॉफिट एंड नॉन प्रॉफिट दोनों में, यानी स्मॉल हो या लार्ज हो, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग हो या सर्विस हो, प्रॉफिटेबल हो या नॉन प्रॉफिटेबल हो, टू शार्प एंड इन्वॉल्व देयर अप्रोच to quality management, often with the help of industrial academic leaders in the field of quality management. One of the strategies prominent of quality management was WED, World Dynamic, a member of select few credit with contributing to the rapid revolution of the Japanese economy after World War II. Is currently embarrassed by many firms in United States and around the world. Its widespread popularity appears to stem from numerous case studies attributing organizational turnaround the influence of the dynamic management method. Despite the apparent effect that the dynamic management method has had on the practice of management around the world, there is a little empirical research support for the effective beyond empirical evidence. This is in part because no theory descriptive explaining and predicting guide the process of empirical researcher, neither its theoretical contribution nor its theoretical base has yet to be articulated. Academic attention on dynamic management method has in fact been surprisingly sparse. The role that this method has played in the formalization and advancement of management theory remains a relatively unexplored issue. Dynamic energies related to implications of the 14 points likewise have not been expanded to expose or to verify theories. The purpose of dynamic management method has been and continues to be especially the practice of quality management. This purpose has served to इसको थोड़ा सा जूम कर लेते हैं, proposal practice ahead of formalized theory. सही हो गया. We believe that the formalization of theoretical context of the effectiveness of the dynamic management method is essential for improved implementation of these 14 points and generally to the advancement of the field of quality management. The primary objective of the article is to propose and articulate a theory of quality management underlying the dynamic management method, leaving verification of the purpose theory for later. The purpose theory is based upon the conceptual synthesis of dynamic writing, available literature, and dynamic management observation practice, and more specifically on the result of a deeply study on the conclusion that the theoretical essence of the dynamic management method concern the creation of an organizational system that foster management practice which in turn lead to continuous improvement. इसके बाद आता है continuous improvement of process, product and services and to employees fulfillment, both of the which are critical to customer satisfaction ultimately to firm survival. Implicit in the theoretical statement is theoretical role of the organizational leadership plays in ensuring the success of quality management, because it is leader responsibility to create and communicate a vision to move the firm toward continuous improvement and to provide formal and informal support to enable the creation and sustenance of the organizational system that is receptive to process management practices. So ये जो आज अभी हमने इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा डिस्कस किया, ये था हमारे पास इसका इंट्रो. ठीक है, और इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग डायनेमिक मैनेजमेंट के मेथड को डिस्कस करेंगे. ठीक है, और मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, मुझे दुआओं में याद रखिएगा और मेरी वीडियो को लाजमी अपने फ्रेंड फैमिली में शेयर कीजिएगा. मुझे बताते रहिएगा कमेंट सेक्शन में कि मेरी वीडियो आपको कैसी लगी. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अल्लाह ने गिमान.